Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about some questions on auto cycle, and I have also given a question to solve you. So today we will start with that question. Okay. So I have given you one question, that is the clearance ratio of an auto cycle is 10%. This question I have given to you. The clearance ratio of an auto cycle is 10%. Clearance ratio is given equal to 10%. Okay. So find the air standard efficiency. Okay. Clearance ratio is given and question is asking about air standard efficiency. Okay. Now clearance ratio is 10% means we can say it is percentage means divide by 100. 10 by 100. So it is equal to 0.1. Means clearance ratio is 0.1, and we know the formula R is equal to 1 plus 1 by C. Okay, so put here C equal to 0.1, 1 plus 1 by 0.1, we will get 1 plus 10. So R is equal to 11. Now we have the value of R compression ratio, R is equal to 11. So we can easily calculate the efficiency of the cycle, that is eta is equal to 1 minus 1 by R to power gamma minus 1. Okay, so it is equal to 1 minus 1 by R means 11, 11 to power gamma is equal to 1.4 minus 1. Okay, so when you calculate by calculator, scientific calculator, you will get the value of eta equal to 0.6167. It is a fractional value, so you have to multiply by 100, then you will get the value eta is equal to 61.67%. So this is a very easy question. I have given you to solve this question. Maybe many of you have solved this question. So in this way you can easily solve this question. So what you need to understand, that you have to remember this formula. If you know this formula, that R is equal to 1 plus 1 by C, then you can easily put the value of C here and calculate the value of R, compression ratio R, and after when you find the compression ratio R, then you can easily calculate the efficiency of a cycle by using this formula. Okay, so in this way you can solve this question. Another question, next question is, a gas engine working on auto cycle has a cylinder of diameter 200 mm. Okay, a gas engine working on auto cycle has a cylinder of diameter 200 mm. Cylinder diameter is given, D is equal to 200 mm. Okay, and stroke length 250 mm, and stroke length is given for the cylinder equal to 250 mm. Okay, clearance volume is equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Clearance volume is given, Vc is equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Find the air standard efficiency of the cycle. Okay, so we have to calculate here. Eta is asking in the question. Okay, so for eta, for to calculate the eta, we know what we need is the value of R, compression ratio R, and in the question Vc is given. If we can calculate the value of Vs, then we can easily find out the value of R, because R is equal to 1 plus Vs by Vc. This is the formula. Okay, so here we have to calculate, we know the value of Vc, but we don't know the value of Vs. To calculate the Vs, D and L is given, cylinder diameter D and L is given, so we know how to calculate the value of Vs. So Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square of L. Okay, this is the formula. Put all the values here. Pi by 4 d square means 200, 200 square into L means 250. Okay. So here we got the value of Vs equal to 7.85 into 10 to power 6. 7.85 into 10 to power 6. Okay. Now the value of Vs should be in mm cube because the unit of D is in mm and length is also given in mm. So volume will come in mm cube. Okay, this will come in mm cube. Now we need to calculate the value of R. So R is equal to 1 plus 7.85 into 10 to power 6 mm cube divided by value of Vc is 1570. Okay, and calculate this value, then you will find the value of R. Okay, but this is wrong. We are doing it in a wrong way. This is wrong. Okay, we are not taking care of the units. Okay, see here in the formula 1 plus Vs by Vc are in ratio. So unit of both the terms Vs and Vc should be same. Okay, if Vs is in mm cube, then Vc should also be in mm cube. But Vc is given in centimeter cube, not in mm cube. Okay, and Vs is in mm cube. So either we have to find the value of Vs in centimeter cube, either we have to convert Vc into mm cube. Okay, so it will be easy to convert Vc into mm cube. Okay, because in 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, then 1 centimeter cube, okay, should be equal to 10 to power 3 mm cube. In both sides we are making cube. So in 1 centimeter cube 10 to power 3 mm cube. So we have to put this value here. If 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 to power 3 mm cube, then here we can say that 1570 into 10 to power 3 mm cube. Okay. So now this value of Vc is in mm cube. Okay. Now put here 1570 into 10 to power 3 it is also in mm cube and Vs is also in mm cube. So put the value 1570 into 10 to power 3 into 10 to power 3. So here we got the value of R equal to R equal to 6. We got the value of R equal to 6. Now as we have find the value of R, so we know the formula eta equal to 1 minus 1 by R to power gamma minus 1. Okay, or 1 minus 1 by 6 to power 1.4 minus 1. Okay, after calculating this value, you will find the value of eta is equal to 51.16%. Okay, so this is also an easy question, but you have to take care of units. Okay, so in each formula we have to take care of units. Okay, in every term, if there is a need to make the same unit for every term, then we have to convert that units. Okay, accordingly. Okay, so in this way we can easily calculate the value. Now another question. Now I am taking another question. The cylinder dimension of 6-cylinder auto cycle engine are, in this question also cylinder dimension are given. Bore equal to 17 cm. Bore means cylinder diameter. bone equal to 17 centimeter. Okay, and stroke is equal to 30 centimeter. Stroke means stroke length. Stroke length is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. Total clearance volume is 9225 centimeter cube. VC is given. VC is equal to 9225 centimeter cube. Okay. Find the air standard efficiency. Theta is asking the question. So in the first line, it is written the cylinder dimension of 6-cylinder engine. It is a 6-cylinder engine. Okay, 6-cylinder means n is equal to 6. There are 6 cylinders in the engine. Okay, so we have to take care of this also. Okay, now say this is the same question as the previous one. This is the same question. Again, we have to calculate the value of Vs. Here we have to calculate the value of Vs. Vs is equal to, we know, pi by 4 d square L, or pi by 4 into d square, that is 17 square into L 30. Okay, so here we get the value of Vs. Okay, and we know the formula R is equal to 1 plus Vs by Vc. Put the value of Vs here and divide by Vc. Then we get the value of R. But again we are doing it wrongly. Okay, because in the question it is given, it is a 6-cylinder engine. 6-cylinder engine. There, and we are calculating Vs for only 1 cylinder. This is the value for only 1 cylinder. Okay. This is the value for only 1 cylinder, but engine is of 6-cylinder. So we have to multiply in 1 cylinder volume with 6. Then we get the volume of Vs, volume of stroke volume for 6 cylinders. Okay. So now put all the values. Pi by 4 into d square means 17 square into L is equal to 30 into 6. Now we get the total value of Vs, stroke volume. Total value of Vs, it is equal to 6.809. 6.809 is coming to 6809.4 into 6. Calculate this with the help of calculator, then you get the exact value. Okay, so 6809.4 into 6. You check the value. Is it correct or not? Now put this value here. So now what is the unit? Here 17 is centimeter, 30 is also in centimeter, so unit will be centimeter cube. Okay, now put the value. Now we don't need to convert the units because Vc is also in centimeter cube and Vs is also in centimeter cube. So put the same value. Okay, units are same. So Vs is equal to 6809.4 into 6 divide by Vc equal to 9225. Okay, so R is equal to 5.4. R is equal to 5.4. Okay, now we have the value of R, so we can easily calculate the efficiency. Eta is equal to 1 plus Vs 1 plus eta equal to 1 minus 1 by R to power now minus 1. 1 minus 1 by R means 5.4 to the power 1.4 minus 1. So it will become equals to 49.16. 49.16%. Okay. Hello. Okay, so eta is comes equal to 49.16%. Okay, now next question is, for numerical questions you have to do practice. Okay, so for that you have to solve a lot of questions. Okay, solve as many questions as possible. Okay, so these all questions are based on auto cycle. Now I am taking a question on diesel cycle. Okay, on diesel cycle, numerical on diesel cycle. You have to also solve the questions on diesel cycle. Na? So question is given. This is a very easy question for diesel cycle. I am starting with easy one. And diesel engine works on diesel cycle with a compression ratio 15. Okay, so it is given that it is given in the question that engine is working on diesel cycle and compression ratio R is equal to 15. Okay, and cutoff ratio is 1.75. Cutoff ratio is rho is equal to 1.75. Cutoff ratio is 1.75. Calculate the air standard efficiency assuming gamma is equal to 1.2, gamma is equal to 1.4. It is given in the question. Okay, and it is asking for eta, air standard efficiency is asked in the question. Okay, so this is very easy question because we need to just use the simple formula for diesel cycle. So we know the formula, eta is equal to 1 minus rho to power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma r to power gamma minus 1 bracket into bracket rho minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, formula is little bit complex, but you just need to put the values. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, so put all the values are given in the question. The rho to power gamma, rho is given 1.75. Put here 1.7 to the power 1.4 minus 1 divided by gamma means 1.4 into r means 15 to power 1.4 minus 1 into rho minus 1 means 1.75 minus 1. Okay, so it is a lengthy calculation. Okay, so you need not to do all the calculation in a single step. Okay, do the calculation step by step. Okay, because there if you do in one step, then there are chances of mistakes. Okay, calculation mistake. Okay, so first solve this one, then solve this one, then you get the value easily. Okay, so if you calculate this value, you will get the value of this comes equal to 1.8189. This comes equal to 1.189, and this value if you calculate by calculator, you will get 3.1019. 3.1019. Okay, and after calculating this value, you will get the value equal to 0.6166. 0.6166. Okay, multiply by 100 because you have to convert it in percentage, so you will get the value eta equal to 61.66%. So this is a very easy question. Okay, this is a very easy question. You have to just put the value in the formula. Okay. Now next question is a little bit difficult. Not difficult, but slightly for this question you need to remember some points which we have discussed earlier. Okay, for this question. So carefully listen what is the question. A diesel engine is working with compression ratio 15. Okay, here also compression ratio is given equal to 15 and expansion ratio. Now in place of cutoff ratio, it is given expansion ratio equal to 10. Expansion ratio is what? We know the expansion ratio, value of expansion ratio. We have discussed this in in the efficiency calculation of diesel cycle. Okay, expansion ratio means what? Expansion ratio means expansion ratio is given equal to 10. So expansion ratio means V4 by V3. If you remember this value, V4 by V3. Okay, means here V4 value of V4 by V3 is given equal to 10, and we have calculated the value of V4 by V3, which comes equal to R by rho. Remember this value. Okay. So if you have forgotten this value, then you can easily calculate this value also. If you don't know the value of that V4 by V3 is equal to R by rho, then you can easily calculate also this value. So we know that if you want to calculate the value, we know that V4 is equal to V1. Put here in place of V4 V1, V1 by V3. Okay, multiply by V2, divide by V2. We have already done this, but now if during solving the question, if you have forgotten the value that V4 by V4 V3 is equal to R by rho, then you can easily calculate this value also. That's why I am again repeating this. So in place of V4, we have put V1 by V3. Now divide by V2 and multiply by V2. So here V1 by V2, keep this V1 by V2 together, V1 by V2, and put this V2 below V3. So here we get V3 by V2. So V1 by V2 comes equal to, what is V1 by V2? V1 by V2 is nothing but R, compressor ratio R, and V3 by V2 is cut-off ratio rho. Okay. So either you remember the value or you can easily resolve. V4 by V3 equal to R by rho. Okay. So now we know the value of R. So it is given here R by rho equal to 10. R by rho equal to 10. And we know the value of R. So we can calculate the value of rho. So here rho equal to R by 10. R equal to 15. 15 by 10. So rho will become equals to 1.5. Okay. So put the value of rho. Now we know the value of R and rho. So we can easily calculate the by formula eta equal to 1 minus rho to power gamma minus 1 divide by gamma R to power gamma minus 1 rho minus 1. Okay. Eta equal to 1 minus rho to power gamma means rho is 1.5 to power 1.4 minus 1 divide by gamma means 1.4, R means R value of R is 15, so 15 to power 1.4 minus 1 into 1.5 minus 1. So when you calculate the value, you will find the answer. That will comes equal to 63%, 63.05%. So this question is also easy, but here you have to just remember this value. Either you remember the value of expansion ratio, that is V4 by V3 is equal to R by rho, either derive this value. Okay, derive V4 by V3 equal to R by rho. Okay, this extra thing you need to do only. Okay, remaining all questions are same as the previous question. Okay, so in this way you can solve the question. Now next question is, now this one is little bit difficult from the previous question. I am solving the question according to difficulty level. Okay. So in this question it is given diesel engine has a compression ratio of 20. It is given that अब डीजल इंजन है कंप्रेशन रेशियो ऑफ 20 R is equal to 20. Okay. And cutoff takes place 5% of the stroke. Okay. Cutoff takes place 5% of the stroke. Find the air standard efficiency. Inter is asking. Now what is saying in the question? Cutoff takes place 5% of the stroke. Okay. So this sentence, you cannot understand this sentence without drawing the PV diagram. Okay. Without drawing the PV diagram, you cannot understand the meaning of this sentence. So first draw the PV diagram. If you find any kind of difficulty in understanding, then just draw the PV diagram. You will understand the whole thing. Okay. So I am drawing here the PV diagram. So PV diagram of Dickle cycle is like this. This is the PV diagram of Dickle cycle. Okay. Point 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, corresponding to point 2, this is volume V2. We know this is volume V2, which is equal to VC, clearance volume. Okay. And corresponding to point 3 is corresponding to cutoff point. This is volume V3. Okay. And corresponding to point 1, this is volume V1. Okay. And between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 is these two lines. Between these two lines, this is suction volume Vs, stroke volume Vs. Okay. Now from this diagram you can easily understand the meaning of the sentence which are written in the question. Cutoff takes place 5% of the stroke. Cutoff means cutoff from which point to which point the cutoff takes place. Cutoff takes place from point 2 to 3. Cutoff takes place from point 2 to 3. Means it is saying that the volume between 2 to 3 is 5% of the stroke volume. Okay. This volume is between 2 and 3 means between these two lines the volume is given that it is 5%. 5% of what? 5% of stroke volume. Stroke volume is Vs. 5% of Vs is given the question. Okay. So between 2 and 3 the volume is given equal to 5% of Vs. Okay. So if I will ask what is the total volume at point 3, what will be the total volume at point 3? So total volume at point 3 is from this line is V3, and we can say that V3 equal to V2 plus 5% Vs. If we add these two volumes V2 or 5% Vs, then we get the total value of V3. So from this diagram we can say that from diagram we can say that V3 is equal to V2 plus 5% of Vs. Okay. Let us assume this is equation number 1. Okay. No. Now V2 equal to Vc. We know that V2 is equal to Vc. So in place of V2 put Vc. So we get the equation V3 is equal to Vc plus 5% means 5 by 100. 5 by 100. 5 by 100 into Vs. Let us assume this is equation number 1. Now we have to put the value of Vs in terms of Vc, which we will get from the equation of compression ratio. We know that compression ratio R is equal to 1 plus Vs by Vc. Put the value of R here, you will get R is equal to 20. So 20 is equal to 1 plus Vs by Vc. Okay. or you can say 20 minus 1 is 19, Vs by Vc equal to 19 or Vs equal to 19 Vc. Put this value Vs equal to 19 Vc in equation number 1. Put in equation 1. So when you put this value 19 Vc in equation number 1, you will get the value of V3 equal to Vc plus 500 is 0.05 into Vs equal to 19 Vc. 19 Vc. Okay. So 95 is the 95. So we will get the value of V3 equal to Vc plus 0.95 Vc, or you can say V3 equal to Vc. Now here is also Vc, here is also Vc, so you will get 1.95 Vc. And here I have said you that Vc is nothing but V2. Vc is nothing but V2. So replace Vc by V2. So here you can say V3 equal to 1.95 V2. Now put this V2 below V3. So you will get V3 by V2 equal to 1.95, and V3 by V2 is nothing but cutoff ratio rho. So here you get the value of cutoff ratio rho is equal to 1.95. Now you know the value of R and value of cutoff ratio rho, so you can easily calculate the value of efficiency. Okay, so what will be the efficiency? Now, so you know the formula of efficiency. Eta is equal to 1 minus rho to power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma into R to power gamma minus 1 within bracket rho minus 1. Okay, or eta equal to 1 minus rho to power gamma means rho is 1.95, 1.95 to the power gamma 1.4 minus 1 divided by gamma is 1.4 into R is 20. R is 20 to power 1.4 minus 1 into 1.95 minus 1, rho minus 1. After calculating this value, this whole value, you will get the answer equal to 64.9%. Okay, 64.9%. Okay. So what you learn that if there is some difficult question is there, then you just draw the PV diagram. Okay, you just need to draw the PV diagram. Then only you can solve the question. You can only understand the question. Okay. So another question. I am giving you a question to try to solve this question. Okay. Same type of question I am giving you as assignment. Try to solve this question. Okay. Note down the question. What is the question? Find ideal efficiency of diesel engine. Find ideal efficiency of diesel engine. Find ideal efficiency of diesel engine having a cylinder with bore 250 mm. Okay, having diameter is given, bore diameter D equal to 250 mm, and stroke is equal to 375 mm. Stroke is given and is equal to 375 mm. Okay, and clearance volume of 1500 centimeter. Clearance volume is also given here. BC is equal to BC is equal to 1500 centimeter cube. In the question, clearance volume is also given. BC is equal to 1500 centimeter cube. Okay, I'm not writing the whole question. I'm just giving you the data. Okay. With the help of this data, try to solve this question. Okay. With fuel cutoff opening at 5% of the stroke. Okay. Again, cutoff is given. Cutoff is equal to cutoff is given. Cutoff occurs at 5% of the stroke. Same type of question. Almost same type of question. Again, this question is given that fuel cutoff occurs at 5% of the slope, as in the previous question. Okay, but here some data is changed. Like in this question, bore diameter stroke length is given, BC is given. So you have to solve in different manner, in different way. Okay, and you have to find the ideal efficiency. Inta is asking the question. So this question is almost similar to the previous question. Okay. In the same way, also given here, cutoff occurs at 5% of the stroke. Same diagram, you have to draw the same diagram. But some different data is given in the question. Like bore diameter D is equal to 250 mm, the stroke length is equal to 375 mm, clearance volume is equal to 1500 centimeter cube. Okay. So you have to solve this question according to the data, according to the given data. Okay. So try to solve this question. In the next class, I will solve this question. But first, you try to solve this question. Okay. So this is all for today. In the next class, we are going to solve some other questions. Okay. Thank you.